Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to try these churros that are supposed to be the same as what they use at Disneyland and Disney World. They are the Tio Pepe's churros. They are available at Smart & Final, so hopefully you have one of those where you are. In Arizona we have them, and I believe they do have them in California, but beyond that I am not sure. The current price of these were $10.99 for 25 churros, so not a bad deal. My understanding from what I know about them is that they are a little smaller than what they do give you at Disneyland, but other than that they're supposed to be the same. So let's go ahead and cook these up and see how they turn out and see if they taste the same. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we got to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. So I'm going to turn the knob here and get that up to 400 degrees. And, oops, we're a little bit past it. There we go. It's 400 degrees. Once we do that, we'll get the churros ready and we'll put them in the oven and see how they turn out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open the box up and get this ready to go and see what's inside of the box. Okay, here's the cinnamon sugar in there. And we'll pull these out, and there are all the churros that you get. So there should be 25 of those in there. They're actually pretty good size. I'm more impressed in the size. They probably aren't quite as long as Disneyland, but I'm pretty impressed with what they look like. So again, we'll see how they taste. They already smell good. I can smell them. They're not even cooked. So we'll just get them on a pan and get them ready to go. Okay, I'm going to use this pizza tray that as you can see, we use it for just about everything. And I'm going to cook the churros on here. According to the directions, you're supposed to put them on the oven rack, but I'm choosing to cook them on here and hoping that they do turn out well. So we will see how that goes. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cook 5 of these now, and the rest I will save for a later date. So I'm going to get out 5 of these and put them on this pizza rack. 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we're going to do 5 of those, and again, we're just waiting on the oven to get preheated, and then we can cook the churros, and then of course we'll put the cinnamon sugar on them. Alright, our oven is preheated and we're going to put these in. It says for 6 churros to do them for 4.5 minutes. I'm going to do them for 5 minutes, and I've got 5 churros. So we're going to go ahead and put them in the oven and set the timer for 5 minutes. And then we'll see what happens. Okay, the timer's done, so I'm going to turn it off and turn the oven off, and then I'm going to take them out. I can already smell it, and they smell great. They smell really good. I'm quite impressed with just the smell of it. So we're going to take these out and set them up here on top. And we'll close up our oven. Okay, the next step, I put a pan here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this the cinnamon sugar coating, and so that I can save it, because I've got to make this last for 25 of these. So I figure if it goes in the bowl, I can dump it into a Ziploc and save the rest and then have it for next time. So I'll go ahead and open the bag up. And we're just going to set this over here, and we'll just do 1 churro, I guess, just to see how it comes out. I guess I can do them all. We'll put them all in here. Just get your tongs. They do smell good, I will say that. Okay, so now I'm going to take this and pour this on. I'm not sure exactly how much I want on, but I figure, like I said, whatever's left over, that's probably good. And I still have a lot in the bag anyways. And then I'll just roll them around in here. Take my tongs, get it coated good, hopefully. Does smell very good. I know I keep saying that. So that's a good sign. Okay, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to take a piece of wax paper. There we go. Didn't come out perfect, but that's okay. Okay, we're going to take the churro and we're going to put it right here. And I'm just going to roll this up. Probably put too big of a piece, but that's all right. And there we go. So there we have a churro. And hopefully that it tastes exactly like Disneyland and Disney World. So here we go. Really good. I'd say it's very good. I'd say it's a lot like it, if not exact. So again, if you're interested in getting these, Smart and Final is the only place that I know that you can get these. And I'd recommend getting them if you like the Disneyland churros. They're definitely just like them. Till next time, guys, we'll see you later. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Sorry that I'm talking with my mouth full. And we'll see you in the next video.